Hi everyone, welcome to My Crafty Home. I'm Amy. In today's video, we're going to be doing a fall craft. One of my favorite things to do is definitely doing anything fall. I love decorating in fall. I love just the festivities that happen in fall. So let's start getting some of our items at the Dollar Tree and pull this little craft that I have in mind together. But before that, I wanted to show you this cute little shirt because I think it's adorable. It says thankful, grateful, and blessed, and that I am, and I'm sure you are too. If you're interested in getting this cute little shirt, I will put a link down below. I got it on Amazon. It's really comfortable, and I think it's perfect for the season. So with that being said, now that we're all ready for the fall season, let's go get our items at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure what the correct name of these particular bowls are, but I call them fish bowls and I got the smallest ones available. I also got some rope. They have some cute little ropes here. Here's one that kind of like bent as you held it, but this one here is the kind we want, and I think they call it the natural rope. So I'm going to get 2 of those. And they didn't have the orange balloons that I needed at the Dollar Tree, so I went to the Dollar General, and they're actually cheaper here. So I got these 12-inch balloons. I went to my neighborhood hardware store, and they had a huge selection of spray paints. Okay, so I had these 2 candlesticks, and you're going to need 2 of those. So get 2 candlesticks. You're going to need balloons, although maybe you might not want those balloons. I'll show you what happened to those. I used the sticks for some leaves for garnishing, and for glue I'm using my E6000 and my handy dandy glue gun. You'll need 2 of the small fish bowls. Tell me what the right name of those in the comments below if you happen to know. You'll need also 2 ropes, natural ropes they're called. You'll also need some spray paint. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. I really appreciate it and it helps my channel grow. Also, if you're enjoying this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell and you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. It's free. Totally free. Layla says, do it. Have nothing to lose. Right? Yeah, that's what she says. Okay, let's get started on this spray paint. This spray paint was like a charcoal black. It was absolutely beautiful. Definitely one of my favorite blacks. Okay, so this is where my nightmare started with this project. The project called for 2 balloons instead of like painting them. So I figured let me try a different color just so I didn't ruin my beautiful only 2 orange balloons. And this is what happened. The white one didn't work. The blue one, I don't know what happened. I think I had it upside down. I was frustrated with that one. And I said, let's try it again. Let's get another red one and try this. This didn't work. This isn't working. Sometimes this happens. So I said, maybe I gotta stretch these things out. So I went and got my balloon blower and tried to blow up the balloon, and honestly, it just drove me crazy. It just wasn't working. So we went to plan B. So we went ahead and got some spray paint. I brought them outside and I spray painted them this beautiful orange. Now I'm taking the Tealight candle holders and I'm spray painting just the very bottom. I'm using a plastic bag and I'm just spray painting the very bottom. Now that those are dry, you're going to want to use E6000 for a more permanent hold, and I'm using my hot glue gun for a more immediate hold. When working with the rope, there will be a little piece of tape. Just take that tape off and glue the ends. Now go ahead and fit the rope to size so that you can glue it on each of the sides there. And when you go ahead and make another string, make sure you go on the inside of the glass and then go ahead and secure your rope. When that was completed, I turned it over and I just kind of glued the bottom for extra security so the rope wouldn't move all around. Now this piece here, I had extra, and you can add just a little piece of rope. I just kind of put this here to kind of finish off the top of the rope. And now the fun part is you can go ahead and just decorate it with whatever kind of florals you have. I have here a few different leaves. You'll see I had a pine cone and a couple little beads that I used. Aw, here's Layla just waking up from her nap, coming out to see how the final project came out. And I have to say, with all the little bumps and troubles that I came up against, I love these pieces. They really came out lovely. They are just calming to my soul. I know that might sound funny, but that's how I feel like I can describe it. They just came out so lovely. Here's a helpful tip. I used a steamer. So some of the leaves that I wanted to use, they were all crinkled and mangled. They didn't look good. So I figured, let me go get my steamer and steam these things out. And they came out great. Here's one of my biggest tips. Do not use the 12-inch balloons. If you can find bigger ones, use bigger ones. If not, you're going to need to use spray paint. Well, I'm so thankful that you came to see this video. Even with the little hiccups, it turned out fabulous. Here's another video that I think that you'll enjoy for this fall season, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.